In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text font in Wix. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly how to update the look and feel of any text on your Wix website, so it better matches your style or brand. Let's get started right inside the Wix editor. First, move your mouse over the text you want to change. This could be a heading, a paragraph, or any text box on your page. To begin editing, you have two simple options. You can double-click directly on the text, which will automatically open the text editing panel. Or, if you prefer, you can single-click once on the text to select it, and then look for the option that says Edit Text, and click on that. Either method will take you to the same place, so just use whichever feels more natural to you. Once the text editor is open, you'll see a small toolbar or panel with various options for customizing your text. Here is where you can change things like size, color, alignment, and of course, the font itself. To change the font, look for the drop-down or button labeled Fonts or simply Font. It's usually near the top of the panel and will display the name of the font that's currently being used. Click on the Fonts option and a list of available fonts will appear. Take a moment to scroll through these choices. As you move through the list, you'll often see a live preview of how each font will look when applied to your selected text, which makes it easier to pick a style that feels right for your website. You might see categories like classic, modern, or decorative, so consider the tone of your site as you explore. When you find a font you like, simply click on it once to select it. The text on your page will update right away to reflect your choice, so you can instantly see how it looks in context with the rest of your design. If it doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can repeat the process and try a different font until you're happy with the result. After you've chosen your font, make sure to click outside the text box or close the editing panel to finalize your changes. And don't forget to save your site, so your new font settings are safely stored and ready to go live when you publish.